time to start a new project. The old Duramax is finally getting some love. So don't worry, we're not taking a break from the bike work, but this guy needs some love. This is what we used to go pick up all those bikes. And as you can see, it's had some better days. So our plan with this is to basically replace everything. So we have new front fenders, new rear doors, the bottom's rotten on those ones. We have an all new box, new tailgate, cab corners. So unfortunately someone got the rockers professionally done, but when they did the rockers, for some reason they didn't do the cab corners. So those are due now, those are rotting away. We want to try to find a new front end from the so this is a 2002 GMC Sierra 2500HD Duramax. We want the front end from the 2004 and up with the round fog lights. We just find it looks a little bit better. We'll see if we can find one. We have a hood from the Chevrolet 2500HD that has like that bump. We've already done some work to this thing. It has a 3-inch lift from rough country with new upper control arms and shocks. New headlights with the U-shaped LED. Those look really cool at night. So on the inside, we're not doing a whole lot, just a new sound system, subwoofer. We're gonna put a backup cam because backing this up to a trailer sucks. You have to kind of park it, get out, and see how close you are. So the front fenders, if you look at them, they actually don't look too bad, but under these flares, they're rotting away. So we have new ones that are gonna go there. And on the new build, we're going with no flares. Obviously new wheels and tires. This is the winter setup now that we just kept on, but we're gonna have 35-inch tires for
something beefy.
Yeah, something beefy that we're gonna keep year round. So something with that's good in the snow and in the mud, and just a good all-around tire. The front doors aren't too bad. There's a little bit of rust starting here and around the handles, but it's not worth replacing the whole door. So we're just gonna do a little bit of body work there. We've already started the body work on the new box. It has one little rust spot that needs to be filled out. Otherwise, it's in really good shape.
Definitely compared to this right here.
Yeah, and like, look at this tailgate here. Like, there's not much left.
Yeah, no.
So, like in here, it's basically hollow. There's nothing left. So we have a new tailgate, new box. We have a cap that goes over this too, that we use when we go camping. So we're gonna have a pretty cool camping setup too, with racks and shovels, and I built like a metal frame for a bed. So pretty cool setup there. For the rear bumper, I'm hoping to find one from a 2014 and up GMC or Chevrolet that has the side steps here.
Oh,
I've seen a couple guys swap those out. You need to fabricate some brackets, but it looks pretty simple. So trying to find one of those still. I don't have it yet.
Cool.
Tail lights, we're gonna polish them, make them look new.
Pit Stop Boys may have something to do with that.
Yeah, reach out to our buddies at Pit Stop Boys. Just looking at the to-do list here, see if we missed anything. Hood, headlights. Oh, the fog lights don't work right now. I don't really know why. So I gotta look into that. We have a front grille that we're gonna replace as well too.
That face explains it all, guys. There's a lot to do here.
There's a lot of work here. Like, each of these items is like a couple days of work.
Yeah.
So we're in it for a long one here, but
it's gonna be sweet when it's done.
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Like, the frame is in really good shape. That's why we're spending the time to actually make this a little bit better. Like, it looks rough on the outside, but the engine, transmission, frame, everything is in really good shape. So we're gonna dump a little bit of money into it and make it last a few more years. So right now, the exhaust, I basically cut off the muffler and then just made it shoot out on the side here. It sounds cool, but I don't think cops like that too much. So we're probably gonna go with a proper exhaust all the way to the back, maybe like a 4-inch or something. And oh, last thing, the paint. Not 100% sure what we're doing yet. We have a couple options. We were debating doing the whole truck in bed liner, like a tinted bed liner, maybe quick plasti dip job, maybe a full paint job. We'll see how we're feeling when we get there. There's only like a couple months before winter, so we don't have a whole lot of time to prep and do a proper paint job, so it might have to be something quick, but we'll see when we get there. But yeah, maybe like light bars and just stuff for off-roading, just so we can go anywhere and be confident in this thing.
Yep.
But yeah, that's basically it. So this is our next project for a little bit. Like I said, we're still gonna have a lot of motorcycle stuff, but we're just gonna do a little mini series on this, show you guys the process. If you have any suggestions for paint, throw them down in the comments. We're open to trying some stuff. We're not too sure yet, because the new fenders are different colors, the hood's another color, the box is another color, and so are the rear doors. So everything, it's gonna look like a mess until it gets painted, and then it's gonna look really nice. One thing you'll notice, Kyle's not with me right now. So he just had a fresh baby number 2. So he might not be on this series too much while he teaches her how to walk and ride a dirt bike and stuff like that. So yeah, it'll be mostly me. We'll get some help from Tristan at Pit Stop Boys. Some of the other guys are gonna come in and help out with this one. So it should be a cool learning experience for all the boys. Just a fun little project. So I think it's time to get to work. Our first order of business is the new box. A quick sand and body work on that, and we'll be ready to swap that in. Let's get to work.
Let's go.